Are your screens in need of a good cleaning? Watch this quick video and follow our step-by-step instructions to properly clean your screen. Fill a bucket with water and a mild detergent. Using a soft bristle brush or sponge, apply gentle pressure to scrub the screen clean. Once you are done scrubbing the screen, thoroughly rinse the screen with a gentle spray of clean water. Do not use a high-pressure washer. Put the screen aside to allow it to completely dry. Once the screen is dry, put it back in your window, and you are ready to once again enjoy the breeze.